If you're running a YouTube automation channel with AI and you're not using these tools, you're leaving hours of productivity and video quality on the table. Today, I'm counting down my top 5 free AI tools for YouTube automation. And if you stick around until the end, I'll reveal a hidden gem with over 26,000 AI tools in one place. This is where you can instantly find free tools for everything from script writing to image generation to video creation. Let's jump straight in with number 5. Coming in at number 5 is ChatGPT, one of the fastest ways to write YouTube scripts from scratch. Whether you're making tutorials, reviews, or storytelling videos, ChatGPT can turn your idea into a structured, engaging script in minutes. Here's my process. I give it a detailed prompt with my topic, audience, and the tone I want. For example, write a 5-minute YouTube script about the best AI tools for content creators in a friendly, professional style for beginners. The more details you give it, the better the output. You can even ask ChatGPT to add jokes, transitions, or call-to-action lines so your script feels polished and ready to record. For faceless channels, this can be a total game changer because you can produce content at scale without burning out. Number 4 is Google Whisk, an underrated AI tool for creating stunning images and even turning them into animations. This is perfect if you need unique visuals for your YouTube videos, whether it's B-roll, background art, or animated elements to grab attention. Here's the best part. You can describe exactly what you want, from realistic photography to detailed illustrations, and Whisk will generate it in seconds. Then with a single click, you can add motion to your image, making it feel alive. For example, I will give it this prompt: create a futuristic neon city skyline with flying cars. After it is done generating the images, I will go ahead and animate it. Stunning, right? Google Whisk uses VO2 for animation, and you get 10 free tries per account. For faceless YouTube channels, this is gold. You can create endless original visuals without spending on stock footage or hiring a designer. Number 3 is Google Native Speech, a free, high-quality AI voiceover generator that can easily compete with paid tools like 11 Labs. To use it, head over to Google AI Studio. Click on Native Speech Generation, then select Single Speaker. Pick the voice you like, paste in your script, and hit the Run button. In just seconds, you will have a natural-sounding voiceover ready to use. The output quality matches what you would get from premium AI voice tools, but here is the best part: it is completely free. If you want a step-by-step guide on creating studio-grade voiceovers with this tool, check out the suggested video at the top of your screen. Number 2 is Canva, a favorite for YouTube creators who want eye-catching thumbnails without spending hours in Photoshop. Canva's free version gives you thousands of templates that you can customize in minutes. I recommend starting with a high-contrast design, adding a short text hook, and making sure your main subject is large and easy to see. Canva also has AI-powered tools that can remove backgrounds, suggest layouts, and even help you match your brand colors. A great thumbnail is not just about looking good, it directly impacts your click-through rate. The more people who click, the more views you get. And finally, number 1 is Toolify AI, my ultimate secret weapon for YouTube automation. With Toolify, you can access the largest collection of AI tools online, including hundreds that offer free usage. The beautiful part is that Toolify shows you exactly how many free uses a tool offers each month, so you know upfront before you sign up. Getting started is simple. Sign up for free using the link on my description. Then search for the type of tool you need in the search bar. For example, I can type in video generators and find tools like Video Enu for faceless video creation. From there, I just click the link, sign up for free with my Gmail, and start enjoying my free monthly credits. If a tool has a watermark, you can easily remove it during editing. And if you ever need more usage, you can upgrade to a pro plan of that specific tool. Toolify is basically your one-stop hub for discovering and trying the best AI tools. whether you are looking for script writers, video editors, thumbnail makers, or anything in between. So there you have it, my top 5 free AI tools for YouTube automation. If you combine these tools, you can create high-quality videos faster, save hours of work, and keep your creative process running smoothly. Remember, Toolify is the place to find thousands of AI tools, including the exact number of free uses each one offers. I have left a link in the description so you can start exploring it right now. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another creator who could use these tools. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.